my design right here. And to edit out the text for your Figma design, once again, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to basically find the text that you are going to be editing. So in my case, to make things a lot easier, I'm just going to simply scroll down and basically find the text that I want to edit. So it's going to be this one. I'm actually going to edit this 24 hours fast track service. So to do that, you want to navigate through the move icon, or this is going to be the pointer tool. And then you could just double click on the actual text box right here. Once again, double click on it to actually browse through that specific text tool or text aspect. So in my case, it's going to be this one. There's two ways to edit this. You want to go ahead and look for the actual text file, or once again, you could just double click on it to be able to edit it a lot faster. So in here, I'm going to change it from 24 hours fast track. Let's do something like 24 hours turn around work, because I believe that sounds a little bit better. Of course, you could edit more if you want to. For example, with this one, I'm just going to double click once again, and let's change it from 24 to 48 hours. And as you can see, with a click of a mouse, we have basically edited our text right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.